and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will be making the designs with turtle. For that, let's first open PyCharm and make a new file, import turtle, and then set the color mode to 255, which is the RGB color mode, like this. Then we'll set the background color, which will be a light shade of blue, which is like this. So 70 red, 150 green, and 249 blue. And then we'll set the color of the turtle, which will be a green, like this. And then let's start with setting the iterator, which is I, like this. It's a variable which we'll set to 0 first. And then let's put a comment saying that we're making a star. So then let's start making a loop for I in range, how many times I will have to iterate so that it works. And we wanted to do this loop 6 times, so we put in range 6. Then we'll write the code to make it a star, for which we'll first need to make the turtle go 50 pixels forward, turn left 144 degrees, then make it go forward again by 50 pixels. So then, so that it doesn't close, we'll have to run turtle.main loop, which will make sure that the turtle screen stays open. So let's open it and go to the file where we'll be able to see the star which the turtle is making. Now the turtle, which is still being shown over here as the green arrow, that we can we'll at the end hide that turtle using turtle.hide turtle, so that the turtle won't be seen. Now if we run it again, then we can see that the turtle, you can't see the turtle, so it draws it and the turtle is not seen anymore. So now let's make another design, which is a circle. Let's make a comment saying circle for I in range 15. For this, we'll first make the turtle turn left by 25 degrees and then make it go forward by 50 pixels. And now we'll run it again and we'll see that it's first making the star and then we'll start making the circle. But now that the circle is overlapping the star, let's make the turtle move a bit further away before it starts making the circle. For that, let's do outside the loop turtle dot forward 150. We need to go 150 pixels forward. We can see it again. And now after it makes the star, it'll go like 150 pixels forward and make the circle. And now there's still this small line and the circle's still overlapping a bit. So let's make it go a bit further away. So let's say 200 pixels, and we'll make because there's a line showing where the turtle is going, so we can make the pen go up so that you don't see the line. For that, we'll do turtle.penup, which makes it not draw while it's moving. Now, because we want the turtle to draw the circle, after it goes forward, we have to put turtle.pendown, so that the reverse action will happen and the pen will go back down and it'll start drawing again. So if we run it again, it's going to draw a star and then go further away and make a circle without being able to see the line. Today we learned how to make designs with turtle, and that was all that we will learn for today. Bye.